You're going to melt the butter and add onions with garlic, and you cook it with the chicken till the chicken's no longer pink. But I already had chicken pre-made, so I just cooked them and then added the chicken in. And you take bouillon, you're going to put the chicken bouillon in hot warm water and then add cumin to it and mix it together. Then we're going to add Monterey Jack cheese, cream of corn, green chilies, and half into the soup. And mix it till the cheese is melted and let it simmer till it's all nice and flavored. Then enjoy your Mexican corn soup. Follow for more recipes.